It's been a minute. Welcome back to our podcast.
Yes. It feels so good to be back. And do let us know how your weekend was.
Yeah.
Today, we continue our search for free and affordable tools perfect for making faceless content. Meet LM Arena AI, a new all-in-one platform that lets you create, edit, and export faceless videos completely for free. Whether you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, make short explainers, or build engaging content with AI, this tool has you covered. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to use LM Arena to generate your own faceless video from scratch, customize the visuals and voice. So grab your script, follow along, and let's see if LM Arena is actually worth your time. The first step is creating our image. You can ask ChatGPT to give you ideas for character generation. If you have ideas but simply don't know how to bring your ideas to life, AI is of great assistance. I'll personally head over to Pinterest and search for elegant ladies. The goal is to get inspiration from Pinterest, not to infringe on others' copyrights. I'll download some inspirations. Head over to ChatGPT and upload the image I've just downloaded. I'll then ask ChatGPT to give me a description of the image. I'll take the image description and edit it. I'll then paste it back to ChatGPT and generate an image. If your images were in portraits like mine were, make sure to add the words landscape mode at the end of your prompt. I also generated mine in Pixar style and a white background for easier editing. Here are my two images. Now I'm going to edit the images a little bit. I've stated on a lot of my previous videos that the quality of your video output is always based on the quality of your image. For this, I'll use Gemini's Nano Banana. I have a number of tutorials where I've shown you how I use Nano Bananas to change the setting and clothing of my characters. Here's the threat of all the changes I've made on them. Next is to create the videos. To generate our videos, we will use LM Arena. LM Arena is an AI-powered content creation platform designed to help creators make videos, scripts, and visuals all in one place. And yes, it's completely free to use right now. Think of it as your AI production studio. You can write your script with their built-in AI writer, generate scenes or visuals, and even turn your text into full videos all without downloading anything. Head over to LM Arena. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Once you land on the homepage, go ahead and create a free account. It only takes a few seconds, and once you're in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Here, we'll hover on the leaderboard and scroll to the image to video option. Click on it, and here you can see all the video generators you get to access for free. Click on Visit Arena on the top right corner, and it will send you to their Discord server. All their videos are generated on the server. Accept the invite. If you don't have a Discord account, create one. Let's access the video generation chat room on the left here. They have 3 rooms, namely Video Arena 1, 2, and 3. Simply click on any. Kindly ignore the mess over here from all my servers. I have a lot of messages to get to. I'll open the chat room, and here we get to generate our videos. If you've used Midjourney before, then the interface is pretty much the same. I'll upload our image and then type the prompt. To prompt, type the / to bring up the commands, and then select the desired command. In my case, it's image to video generation. The beauty of LM Arena is you can generate the audio natively like you would in VO3. Make sure to put what you want your characters to say in quotation marks. This was the prompt I used. Both ladies are talking with natural hand gestures and facial expressions. The lady in pink says, "It's been a minute, welcome back to our podcast." The lady in white says, "It feels so good to be back, do let us know how your weekend was." And this was the output I got. As you can see, the first video had no audio, but the second video nailed it.
It's been a minute. Welcome back to our podcast.
Yes. It feels so good to be back. And do let us know how your weekend was.
I'll generate another video, but this time use the lady in her car. I've uploaded the image and pasted my prompt here. I'll hit enter and wait for the output. You get 2 outputs per video generation. As you can see here, it's either a hit or miss with the audio generation. However, we can still fix this by using a free software like Dreamface to lip sync our character. I'll head over to Dreamface. I'll click on the avatar video option and upload my video. However, my video has a logo from Arena at the end that needs to be edited. For this, I'll use CapCut to trim the end of the video. Let's open up CapCut and import our video. I'm not doing any fancy edits. I'll just crop the end and download the video. I'll head back to Dreamface and upload the edited video. Now, over here is where we add our audio. To generate my audio, I'll use 11 Labs. I'll head over to 11 Labs and paste my script. Dreamface accepts up to 30 seconds on the free tier, which is what I'm using. Back to Dreamface and I'll upload my audio, then generate. If you are enjoying this video so far, like and subscribe. I put a lot of effort into creating quality content for you guys. If the video you have is short compared to the audio, make sure you loop it. Let's talk about the pros and cons of the website. One of the advantages is the fact that it's free to access and use, and although it says the video will take 10 minutes to generate, all my videos were generated in 2 minutes or less. If you've tried other free video generators like Kling, their wait time is no less than 6 hours. The output you get will have a huge Dreamface watermark right here. To remove it, head over to the Magic Eraser website and upload the video. Highlight the watermark using the cursor and then click remove. You get your video without the watermark. I will leave links to everything in the description box below. The fact that you can use it for free and the wait time isn't long is Arena's biggest advantage and why I recommend it. As for some cons, you don't always get an audio with your generations, and obviously you can access it via a server, which you have to share with thousands of other creators, and that's it. From a blank screen to a complete video, all made inside LM Arena AI. You didn't need to film, record your voice, or edit a single clip. The AI handled everything. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more deep dive AI tutorials like this, and comment below what kind of video you'd love to see me test next. I'll leave all the links you need, including LM Arena AI, in the description box. Until next time, keep creating and let AI do the heavy lifting.